Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 21st, and this is my morning video for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community linked at the end of this video down here in the corner. Don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. And also, don't forget that I do a YouTube live stream every weekday afternoon at 6 p.m. GMT UK time. So, anyways, yesterday I was saying that this move up was just going to be another correction to the downtrend, and that's exactly how it played out. So, if you've been following along, then you're probably doing pretty well with your trading. We are at this 100% area, and if this does decide to be a running, like a running ABC, then it would definitely be a higher high for the wave B and a higher high for the wave C. So keep an eye on it. It could turn here, and it could give us a break of structure, and it could give us a continuation of the uptrend. Because of the dollar index and other correlated pairs, I think it's probably more likely that it is going to go down more. And if it does keep on going down, then it will probably make a run for the 161 and 178. And that would give you more of an expanding ABC look, something like this, before it actually continues the uptrend. And that would also give us a break of structure, which would probably attract a lot of sellers way before the market pushes up again for the continuation of the uptrend. So we're either gonna probably respect his 100% and go up, or it'll make a run down for the 61%, 178%. Either way, we should be able to recognize it if we follow along with our structure, which level it decides to respect. If we go all the way back up to the daily time frame, I'm definitely very, very bullish on the daily. Yes, we might go down for the last couple of days, but we are still heavily, heavily in an uptrend. I think it's still going to make a run for the 78% when it's ready. So I'm definitely still very, very bullish on the higher time frames, which is why I'm still looking at anything I see on to the downside on the shorter time frames as nothing more than a correction to the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.